of Odessa, trying to find all we need for the setting up the generators in the invisibility centres. Not doing very well. People don't seem to be very helpful, to be honest. They don't have small petrol containers or mixer containers for oil and fuel. We're now struggling to find some connectors that we can plug into the generators to charge batteries, laptops, etc. How are you feeling, Martin?
Oh, good, thank you. Except that in a store this size, you'd think you'd be able to find what we need to do this task. Yeah. And we've found some of it, but we're in the lighting section and we cannot find the extension leads.
Yeah. This is the best we've done so far. We have got two-stroke oil, some funnels, screwdrivers, some tape, WD-40. You wouldn't always need that. That's all we could do for a fuel container. We thought they might have so many small ones that you get in the UK, but can't find any here. I have an extra spring in our step now as a kind lady assistant has decided to direct us to some of the supplies we need. Feeling better, Martin?
Slightly.
Slightly, yeah. Me too. Pity we've met with Alexia and got a lot more stuff, which was very, very useful, but we've just now been warned of an imminent air raid attack, so we've got to leave the store without paying, which is all a bit of a disappointment, Martin.
It is.
And Alexia.
But that just goes with the territory. So here we go. Everyone's got to exit.
So we'll go.
Here's the next.
Yeah.
We'll come back hopefully soon. Bye-bye, trolley.
I mean, if rocket hits here, then we will need to...
And now outside the shop, there's people exiting very calmly, but no one rushing to air raid shelters. Here's our group. Martin again.
Yeah, everybody's leaving the shop. It's gutted because we just about to pay for what we bought. Couldn't take it out. Everything's down. No internet, anything.
And a goodbye from me till later. Yeah, here we are in the middle of another shopping spree, but the lights of this huge store have suddenly gone off and come on again.
Oh, there we are. Hi. Here we are, still in Odessa, and we've come down to the sea with my very good friend, Vladimir.
Hey guys.
And we're actually going to go to the sea, which is something I really, really, really have wanted to do. And I'm going to nick some sand and bring it home.
Some Odessa sand.
Yeah, Odessa sand.
I'll have a little glance up the street. Arcadia. Okay.
Arcadia.
Maybe not the best angle at this point, but anything else,
yeah,
Martin?
this whole area here is called Arcadia, and it's a very popular place in normal times.
And thank God it's got KFC, of course.
Okay.
Okay. Over and out.
Over and out. Here we are with Alexei and Katya in the beautiful apartment. Hi.
Hey.
And it's the end of day 5, and we've had a very productive day where we have bought many pieces of equipment to set up the hub that we hope to set up in Kherson district tomorrow. This is the way it's going to go. Dave should say something now because I'm
running dry.
very tired.
It is late and we've had a few drinks, but I'm so grateful for Katya's work and for Alexil too. They've been so amazingly wonderful as hosts and looking after us, all their hospitality, all the work they put in looking after us, amazing breakfasts and evening meals and fantastic conversation.
What about lunch?
They have looked after us
And
all
lunch.
over the place.
Yeah.
And lunches, and lunches
And
too.
the
and lunches.
best borscht in the world,
Of course, perfect.
made by
borscht.
Katya.
And with beans, thank God.
Yeah. And I have to say, with a very good single malt.
And I'd like to say I never touched it.
And he's lying.
But yeah, what wonderful hospitality, and I'm very, very, very grateful, and I know Martin.
Yeah,
too.
also
So
I'd
thank
like
you, Katya.
Yeah.
guys,
Thank you,
you're welcome.
Alexil.
Welcome. Come on.
Yeah,
And I'd like
thank
to
you.
say that tomorrow, when we go to Kherson, we have been allowed to borrow some bulletproof vests and some helmets because there is a risk, and we will use them if we need to, and bring them back on our way back. So there you go.
And a good night to you all.
Yeah.
Yep.
Take care.
Have a good night. See you.
Bye.
Bye.